Hair pretty. Hey, I got more hair pretty. I got a whole entire bucket. And I even got Hello Kitty Band-Aid. More hair pretty. I got Hello Kitty Band-Aid.
Put a hair pretty in.
Let's see you put one in. Which one do you want to wear?
Pick one out.
This one.
Oh, that's pretty.
I would put that one.
Smile. What do you have?
Paper.
Paper. There you go.
Hi.
What else is in there?
I have. Don't take a picture again.
Okay.
I got more pink.
Is that?
Here, Mom.
What is that?
Pinky.
Yeah.
You can put it in the drawer.
Can I put it in the drawers?
Yes.
All right.
You can see it.
Thank you.
Cheese.